ஹலோ சுந்தர், என்னை எதிர்பார்க்கல இல்ல. நான் இல்லாம உங்களோட ஒரு செஷனா? நான் டெல்லியில இருந்தாலும் கரெக்டா வர வேண்டிய நேரத்துல வந்துட்டேனா? தேங்க்ஸ் கார்த்திக். அண்ட் மை டியர் ஐஜிடியன்ஸ், and welcome to R&R. Before speaking about Sundar, I would like to congratulate all the award winners and well done. And also I want to give my best wishes to all the forthcoming or future award winners. And I would like to be also in part of that particular list. Hope Anand is not hearing that. Then coming back to speaking about the Sundar, I'm not sure whether you remember our first meet. I hope sure you will be. So that was a BA's customer visit, if I am not wrong. Yes, you are giving a session about latest trends in the airline industry. And though that subject was very vague and you can speak n number of things about the airline industry, but it turned into be a more interactive session with the customer, and there were a lot of idea exchange between the customer and you, and I also popped in few instances, very minimal, but I really enjoyed that session, and in fact customer also, because I know personally customer very well, and he has given very very positive feedback about that particular session, and that was our first interaction. Then after that, though that we were working in the same unit, we didn't get a good opportunity to work with you or to interact each other. And the next one is our interaction with IGT, when you did my technical interview. You asked our technical interview went nearly 45 to 60 minutes, if I am not wrong. And you never disclosed your identity, and at the end you told about you are the Sundar and who is interviewing me. Adukku edavadhu kaaranam iruka Sundar? So that, but I felt you became so professional, so that you don't want to keep our old kind of thing something during the interview process. I really like that instant itself, and I hope I met your expectation in IGT. And to be honest, yes, I want to take this opportunity to thank you for selecting me in that particular technical interview. And coming into IGT, so here where we really started to know, I really started to interact with you more, and I started, what you say, I came to know about you, a very good person, very good personality. And being in TCS for almost 11 years, I was with the same process, same level of interaction with, I know the people from in a particular account partner. I was so comfortable feeling, so which I wanted to break out and come to IGT. That is one of the main reasons. And after coming here, there was, because I know there might be some kind of the gaps, and which I felt uncomfortable, or whenever I feel something I want to share, I want to learn something, you are always there. You might be there. Whenever first come in the meeting, immediately I will come to your room and I will discuss. And I always felt that there is a person whom I can trust, and you are that person. And I really enjoyed I'm enjoying, to be honest. அப்புறம் சுந்தர், உங்களை பற்றி இன்னொரு விஷயம் நினைக்கணும்னா, something which comes to my mind immediately is grooming. And உங்கள்கிட்ட அவ்வளோ பேஷன்ஸ் to train the people and to bring the people up to the mark. And you have given such a passion which I really admire it. And you have given the younger, okay, another thing is you have given so much training to all the young generation, freshers, but you ignored the older generation like me. But still we would like to hear and learn lot of things from you, to be honest. And there are some things, sir, engalai marandradhu, engalukku set edavadhu plan for some sessions. I love to attend it and like to learn it. Still I am learning it, but still your knowledge is vast, so we would like to learn as much as from you. That is one thing. Another thing is, whenever I think about you, is you are personally you are a down to earth person, which I really like. And you are interacting with from the fresher or from the high most experienced person in the organization. You are interacting them and treating them everyone equal, and which is something which I admire most. The another thing is, which I heard recently, is you are a good singer. ரொம்ப நல்லா பாடுவீங்களா சார்? எனக்கு தெரியவே தெரியாது, இல்லைன்னா அப்புறம் பாட சொல்லி நான் ரொம்ப அடிக்கடி தொந்தரவு பண்ணியிருப்பேன். But still it is, though I am not there, so can you, on behalf of for me, sorry, it is not for me, could you please sing a good song, whatever song you choose, and that would, can you please choose one particular song and can you sing for us? Though I cannot hear you right away, but some of us there, please record that particular Sundar song, and when I am back on Monday, I would like to hear it. So then what else to speak about Sundar? So there are a lot of things I can keep on speaking. I don't want to bore the session with the same thing, repeating almost the same stuff. So I would like to thank Karthik to give this wonderful opportunity for me to speak. And to be honest, this is my first encounter before a camera. And I would like to thank my videographer, Thirumalai Parthasarathy. He has taken n number of sessions, maybe this is a 5th take or 6th take. Hopefully I did decently better. And so I am signing off, and thank you guys, and thank you for listening my talk. And again, thank you, and good luck, and wish you all the very best, and I hope I will be there in the next R&R session in Chennai. And thank you very much. Bye. Bye, Sundar.